There's a setting in the core contact component in Joomla that you should turn off to keep spam bots from sending spam through your contact forms. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 259 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn to the screen. We'll see what to do about this setting. Here's the contact form. The problem is this little button down here that you can check that send a copy of a message to yourself. What the spam bots do is they put in all kinds of different email addresses in there, and even though they're not real, the copy gets sent to that address, and that's how they try to spam other people. So I'm going to show you how to turn this off in Joomla. I'm also going to show you how to turn it off in multiple Joomla sites very easily. All right, so first of all, in your Joomla site, you're going to go to Components and then to Contacts, and we'll click Contacts. Next, we're going to go to Options, and all you're going to do then is send copy to submitter where it says Show. You're going to turn that off, and then you will save and close, and that's going to remove that option. Now, if you're managing lots of Joomla sites, you can do it this way through mysites.guru. Here's a snapshot of my CyberSalt consulting site, and here's the green stuff is good, and red are things I should check out. I'm going to click on this green eyeball, which shows only the things to check out, and look at this. Disable send copy to submitter feature to prevent spamming. Now I can just through this button, I can turn that feature off here. I can even turn it back on, but check out this cool button here. I can click here and look, here's all of the sites I manage through mysites.guru, and here are the sites that feature still needs to be turned off on. And I can just start to go down the list down here. Now I hope that someday Phil Taylor from mysites.guru puts a little green eyeball here so I can see only the sites that are red. And if I could select them all and do it all at once, that would be great. But hey, you know what? I don't want to be too lazy because look, I can just keep updating sites as I go down. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.